Hi, I'm Krista, and this is my husband, Jason Mans. We are co-owners of the Heist in Bowling Green.
This was a bank, and it was built in 1902, 12, something.
It was a COVID project, and Jason's a traveling musician, so he had been home for about 4 weeks, and that was the longest we'd spent together in about 15 years. So we
She's
started
like, you gotta get out of here. I have been lucky enough to play a bunch of venues, small ones around the country, and I kind of just picked my favorite parts of each of those and described it to Krista, and then she figured out how to do it.
Accurate.
Some of my favorite parts of the Heist are the green room, the library with the secret door. I've always wanted one of those.
And we have Dali, which some people don't know. He lived at Hampton Manor in Caroline County for a while. So I think that's kind of cool, just all of the little nuggets about Caroline County, that it seems like such a rural place, but there's a lot of culture here. If I was gonna describe Bowling Green in one word, I would say community.
I think mine would have to be home.
When guests come to the house on Main, I hope that they feel invited. I hope they feel a warmth inside of it that was meant to gather people together to celebrate momentous occasions and the small ones, a getaway, a little reprieve from your life, and just kind of a really comfy place to sit and have your favorite cocktail or watch the sun come up with your cup of coffee, just be able to relax. We're Krista and Jason Mans, and we'd love for you to come visit us at the Heist.